Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a simple step-by-step guide on how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Ledger Nano X. So let's quickly get started with that. So one of the quickest way for you to be able to transfer crypto from your Robinhood to Ledger is to get your Ledger address. So for you to be able to get your Ledger address, the first step is to open your Ledger Live, then connect and unlock your Ledger Nano X. So the next thing to do is to go to account, then move to or choose your crypto. So for example, you can pick or choose the available crypto that you have in your account, in case you have Bitcoin or Ethereum or Solana. Then tap receive and copy the wallet address shown. Verify it on your Ledger screen. So once you do that, the step 2 is to send crypto from Robinhood. So open the Robinhood app, go to your crypto portfolio, select the coin you want to transfer, then make sure coin you want to transfer from Robinhood must be the same coin you copy the wallet from in your Ledger. So once you do that, tap send or transfer just to initiate the transaction. So paste the Ledger wallet address you copied earlier, enter the amount to send, then check the network if it's correct. So if it is BTC, just pick the normal regular network, then confirm the details and tap send. So wait for blockchain confirmation. You can also open your Ledger Live, check if your crypto arrives. So once confirmed, you are done, and that's how you can easily transfer crypto from Robinhood to Ledger Nano X. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.